सोंगल्यान गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटी हाच्या वतीन नव्या वर्साची व्हडली हांव आर्किटेक्ट रॉयला फर्नांडीस जनरल सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटी अलॉंग विथ आमचो स्पोक्सपर्सन ऑफ द गोवा काँग्रेस बाब ओलेन्सिस नोवायस तशेंच बरोबर आसा बाय देव सुरभी यदुवंशी प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द ऑल गोवा अनऑर्गनाइज्ड एंड एम्प्लॉयर्स काँग्रेस. पयले सुवातेर सगळ्या गोंयकारांक काँग्रेसाचे वतीन मनोनीत परबी ह्या नव्या वर्साक. ह्या नव्या वर्सान न्यू विजन, न्यू होप्स एंड न्यू बिगिनिंग्स हे घेऊन आम्ही मुखार सरता. ह्या वर्साक आनी आमी पळयला लास्ट गेल्या त्या वर्साकूय बी सोत हे आमी काँग्रेस भायर काडीत आसा. ट्रूथ इज बीइंग ब्रॉट फोर्थ बिफोर द पीपल ऑफ द स्टेट. टू मच लाइज, एलिगेशन्स, कॉन्स्पिरसीज चलता आनी लोक फटवत आसा. पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज पळय येता गोंयांत आर ट्रायंग टू क्रिएट फियर, क्रिएट टर्मोइल, लोकांक डिस्टर्ब करून. विथ द इलेक्शन्स वेरी नियर, कॉल्स आनी फोटो ह्यो सगळ्यो भोंवत आसात. एंड द काँग्रेस इज हियर once again in this new year today to bring forth before the public, before the citizens, what is the truth. आणि आयचो मेन मुद्दो ट्रूथ आमी हाडला तो is regarding the false fear created by the so-called TMC MLA Mr. Churchill Alemount. 2 दीस पयलीं तेणी एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सान तशेंच in media, you all must have seen, तुम्ही आसलेले आसतले, he has stated that Goa shouldn't be showing sand dunes again along the coastline. What is the identity of Goa without the coast, without the sand dunes? This is a clear attempt to create fear. Target करता fishermen community, shack owners or hotels, barik hoteliers hai tenka. We as Congress is here to tell you all what exactly he wants. If you can permit me, I would like to read out. In fact, एक महिने पहिले अशेच तेणे sand dunes एक statement केल्लो also regarding the environmentalist. We are also lovers of nature. आम्ही सगळी आयज हिंगा बसून देखून हाय ती ऑलेन्सियो सुद्धा वी हॅव बीन फायटिंग टू प्रोटेक्ट द कोस्ट लायन. तेन्ना त्यांचो आवाजूय नासलो. अँड टुडे ही इज कमिंग आउट टू टेल दॅट द GCZMA shouldn't be showing sand dunes along the coastline. A month ago, before talking, we thought we will first find out what is the truth, why he is saying so. We filed an RTI with the GCZMA to know what exactly he has written to the GCZMA. And shockingly, we have an MLA who has made his surveys. We do not know on what basis, but looks like a सगळे copy paste. तेजे पय बराबर पण आसा न्ही तेणी बी सारखे फॅक्ट्स दिवंक ना. कॉपी केला from data from here and there and have posted this to the GCZMA. I am sure the GCZMA has not even looked into this because there is no solution. There is only an absurd, haphazard letter which is posted here. His concern is only regarding the coastal CRZ areas. He says, dear madam, would like to draw your kind attention to the new CRZ rules issued in 2018, wherein the new rules have no development zone of 200 meters for all islands close to the mainland coast and all backwater islands in the mainland. He is gone to talk about rules and regulations which are specified there. But when it comes to Goa, he says, remember that these zones are the ones where the traditional communities live and subsist on the natural resources, and now a chance is being given to change the land used to bring in tourism, which is not suited for Goa and goes totally against the fishermen community of Goa and the locals. My concern is the CRZ notification has failed miserably to uphold the rights of traditional fishermen and will have disastrous impacts on coastal ecology and the future of the lives of our fishermen. How can identification of sand dunes affect the fishermen community? The fishermen community in Goa, Banavlankuni, he is thinking in the further letters he is talking only about Kolaba to Mobar. But throughout Goa, they have coexisted all these years. And who else better than the president of the Fishermen's Association and also our spokesperson, Mr. Olencio Simoes, would know about this. I will request our spokesperson, Mr. Olencio, to highlight the issues of the fishermen with relation to coastal zone management.
आयज हो प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आमी आयज ह्या न्यू वर्साक आपयलेलो आसा कित्याक जो आमचो कोस्ट लायन जो आसा सिन्स 1991 आमी मागता की आमचे CZMP प्लॅन ती सारकी कायद्या भितर पाडची म्हणून आनी CZMP प्लॅन कंप्लीट करचो म्हणून आता तितून जायते डिमार्केशन जावनासले म्हणून जायते प्रोटेस्टां जाली आनी हेजे उपरांत गोवा कोस्टल झोन मॅनेजमेंट ऑथॉरिटीन ग्राउंड ट्रुथिंग केल्ले जे पयली NCSCMan करूंक ना ते आता I truly appreciate the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority for going every square kilometer of our coastline, right from north to south, which they have walked more than 105 kilometers of coastline. पूण आयज जे डिमार्केशन पळय केलेले आहा सँड ड्यून्साचे जे GCDMन दाखयलां तितून नॉट इवन 20% या प्लॅनाचेर तेंका दाखयलेलो आसा आयज NCSMan फकत 29 lakh square meter of area sand dunes दाखयलेलो आसा आणि GCDMन एडिशनल 46 lakh square meter of sand dunes आयडेंटिफाय केल्लो आता हे हांव विचारता आमच्या एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टराक तुमचे हे प्लॅन कितें तुमी हो TMC पार्टी हाडला की हे कोस्ट लायन कवर करपाक आनी हांव ऑनरेबल एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टराक चर्चिल बाबाक सांगपाक सोदता की सँड ड्यून्स जे आसा सँड ड्यून्स पळय इट प्रोटेक्ट अस अगेन्स्ट द storm surge, it protects us against the high waves, it protects us from coastal flooding, it has important ecological habitats, it protects the beaches from erosion. Like this there are several importance of sand dunes. आता तुम्ही पोर्ट लिमिट काढलो तुम्ही डायल्युजन आणि CRZ केलेलो आसा म्हणून हे आयज तुम्ही सगळे पळय CRZ नलिफाय करून झिरो पे करपाचो प्लॅन केलेलो आसा हो कोणाक लागून बेनिफिट जातलो विल द फिशिंग कम्युनिटी ऑफ गोवा गेट बेनिफिटेड विल द शेक ओनर्स गेट बेनिफिटेड और विल दी हॉटेल लेबी ऑफ गोवा गेट बेनिफिटेड म्हाका अशें दिसना जोरी आमची बीच काबार आमची ट्युरिझम काबार जातली आमचे ट्रेडिशनल लायव्हलीहुड काबार जातले सो हांव मागता जे पळय गोवा कोस्टल मॅनेजमेंट ऑथॉरिटीन पळय सर्वे काढले त्याच्या आधारान NCSCMan हे सर्वे पाडचे ना जाल्यार आमचो लोक भायर येयलेलो जायती चळवळ जातली आणि आमी काँग्रेस पार्टी विल लीड दी एजिटेशन दिस टाइम एंड जाय जाल्यार आमी वी विल नॉक एवरी डोर्स ऑफ दिस मिनिस्टर but we will see that the sand dunes and the port limits are the sand dunes are demarcated and the port limits have been denotified as in the CZMP plan.
Valencian आता सारखे पुरावे केला दाखवून दिला की sand dunes are needed for our existence. If Goa has to exist as a tourism destination, then we require the sand dunes. Whereas तो MLA हा त्याने port limits हाचेर काय म्हणू ना, he wants the sand dunes to be wiped out, but he is silent, he is mute about the port limits. Why is this? A conspiracy to hand over the entire coastline without showing any sand dunes to the MPT? Is it a threat for Goa and Goans by his promise to remove the coastline of the sand dunes and hand it over on a platter to Adanis? He is also talking about the shack owners. Dev Surabhi, who is the president of the unorganized workers and organization, she will highlight how the shack owners will be affected once the sand dunes are wiped out from the coastline.
Thank you, as a state chairperson for the Unorganized Workers and Employees Congress, I would like to bring attention to the fact that the moment sand dunes are done away with, not only does it affect and hand over our coastline to vested interests, but it also destroys the livelihoods of our fishermen, of our shack owners, and every other profession which is dependent for its livelihood on our coastline. And Goa is foremostly known for its coastline, and that's the basis of its tourism. So today I bring attention to the fact that Churchill Alimau is creating undue fear in the minds of people who belong to the unorganized sector, like the shack owners, the fishermen, and bring fear in their mind just to create chaos so that they don't notice the vested interest of the likes of Adani, who are trying to make a backdoor entry to gain control of our coastlines through the MPT, so that our future, everything would be in the control of Adani. And this is again a part of the larger plan of creating Goa into a coal corridor, which we as a party have categorically made statements against. We will not allow Goa to be destroyed in this manner. So I say this directly to Churchill Alimau today. Sir, you will not make this chaos in our state. We will not allow you to. And as far as the BJP, whatever they have done, they have already destroyed the unorganized sector by their destructive policies and lack of support during the COVID. You do not have the right to go ahead and kill them further by creating these undue fears in their minds. We will have zero tolerance for this.
This is a letter written by the TMC MLA to Dr. Pramod Saban, and then later addressed to Mr. Nilesh Kabral in the same thing. This is what happens when you just arbitrarily, I'm saying this arbitrarily because here in this letter I don't know who understood this. Arbitrarily बरयलेलें आसा हिंगा आनी दिसता की हे पळय MLA सगळे भायल्यान रावन आपले काम करता. He said here that the entire process of identifying sand dunes is arbitrarily done. Arbitrarily म्हळ्यार uns satellites are things on केला काय दिसता. This is, forget the error which what they have done, but I feel that Mr. MLA of Benavli needs to come on ground and also be with the locals and know where the sand dunes were. If NCSEM has made an error, the locals, people, all of us at the public hearing identified with survey numbers. We didn't go there and say we don't want. We showed them where the coastline was. We told them where the sand dunes were with survey numbers, and we saw to it that the GCZMA, when they came for ground routing, they placed it on record That's what even Valencia has pointed out. I once again state, this is an entire scam, a plan, a plot to destroy Goa. The Benauli MLA is only trying to finish the entire coastline by getting this projects, the Sagarmala, approved without saying a word on it. Is trying to get the coastlines cleared for decks for coal dumping by saying that the sand dunes should be removed are shown wrong. How can somebody say erroneous depiction of natural and man-made sand dunes? He himself is admitting here erroneous depiction of natural. When you do copy-paste, this happens. When you don't read, this happens.
And
How-
you're uneducated this
How can you say man-made and natural in the same sentence, meaning natural sand dunes existed, and we all know for a fact that they existed. आणि एक फकत त्याने केलं TMC चे आणि BJP who are his godfathers, otherwise they 5 crore बेश्टे येईना ते for his club. To get those blessings, he has done this. Creating fear, लोकां मनात फियर घालपा की नुस्तेकार बेकार उरतले, शेक ओनर्स उपाश उरतले, बारीक हॉटेलर्स तेंक त्रास जातले म्हणून तेंच्या नावान कोस्ट लायनाचेर सगळी सँड ड्यून्स काडून उडोवपा सोदता आणि थ्रू दिस हिडन एजेंडा वॉन्ट्स टू गेट BJP and Adani to power by supporting these projects. Before we end this press conference, which is the first one to shed light on Mr. Alemao's hidden conspiracies, I request the entire state be alert, जागृत जाऊया. Last year 21 खूप फटयले, but in this year शिडूक जाऊया आणि हे पळय आमकां फोटोवपाक येवपाक सोदता, showing us that आमचे पोट मारतले म्हणल्यार ते दुसऱ्या पोट सांबाळपा लागून हे करूं सोदता. असले मनशाक आमी पयसूच दवरया. Let's not get fooled anymore. Requesting each and everyone, appeal, be alert, be wise. Congress is here for sustainable development. We promise that when we are going ahead with our manifesto, we will see that Goa's heritage, गोंयची अस्मिताय, ताज्यो वेळ्यो, दोंगर आणि तितून रावता गोंयकारांचे लायव्हलीहूड सगळे सांबाळून आम्ही मुखार वतली. थँक यू.
Churchill is hand gloves with whom? Conspiracy.
This
With the BJP.
with the BJP. This entire plan of saying that there exist no sand dunes.
Or that they are unnatural.
Or that
he's trying to
he's
make
try-
it seem that
But
sand
he's the MLA of Trunmul, no?
now.
Now,
Yeah.
Previously he was NCP and he was an alliance partner of the BJP, and all along by making sure he's trying to make it seem sand dunes are unnatural, that they should not be notified, they should not be recognized. How
You-
can this happen?
you have
How
his
is this
letter.
possible?
You have his letter. In fact, a month ago, when he first made his statements, I did not speak because I always prefer to first get information of what the other person has to say. I wrote to the GCZMA and yesterday I got this information where the subject itself shows that he wants to wipe out even a natural sand dune. How? I'll just read the subject. Erroneous depiction of natural and man-made sand dunes on beach area. What does it say? How can somebody say depiction of a natural sand dune? Erroneous depiction. So here, whoever has prepared this for him, and probably he's just signed it, has not even read what they are writing. So I'm sure the GCZMA or any authority won't even look into this.
Yes.
लोका फोटोवपाक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स गेले बाणाचे लोका फोटोवपाक जाय. तुमगे हिंग समज सँड दाखयली हिंग शेक येवपा नाय. He has failed to realize that the Gram Sabha in Benauli has even asked for the water level is going on increasing. हे सगळ्या खबर आहा. आणि आता न्ही 5 वर्सां पयलीं तरी आमी प्रपोजल घातलेलो हा that the government, even the tourism, should identify earmarked zones where we can have shacks being there, but they failed. At the election, Bogil Paola, they're Mendekunuran. So Lokat Biopas, coastal community, thank Biopas and but air stunts. But in the same stunts, he's forgotten that he's exposed, that he has made a biggest blunder by calling it erroneous depiction of natural, use the word natural first, and man-made. So his entire process of, he doesn't show you this. He only talks and we print. I would want you all to take this and ask him what is the meaning of this. If he's very clear, it's very evident, he's trying to destroy the natural coastline by even destroying the natural sand dune. This is all a conspiracy to get BJP back to power. Backdoor entry for the BJP.
Any more questions?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And a blessed year to all of you.
Happy New Year.
Because this year, let us bring out the truth. Let us bring out the truth. The media is the tool. You are the power which reaches the people. But you have the power. Let's stop be aligning to people in power, but let's be powerful and speak the truth through your media. Thank you.